No. Look, you can get mad at me all you want. I'm just telling you, I know the media. You may think it insensitive of me to be speaking this way. I'm not. I'm telling you how they, in the drive-by media, are planning. And they'll react at some point. Little Brian Stelter go out there, I can't believe that these kinds of things are being said about us and the imminent danger of us. I'm just telling you, it won't be long to find out. It's, hurricane kind of came out of nowhere. It was a little tropical storm down off the primary tobacco-growing area of western Cuba, known as the Vuelta Bajo. To devastate the Florida Panhandle, Category 4. That puts winds anywhere from 130 to 156 miles per hour. And that's not, don't think of storm surge as a tsunami. They're two different things. We'll get the two confused. It's a big eye wall. It is well established. It's not weakening. It's continuing to strengthen. It's going to have a swath all the way up through Georgia. The way I look at it, it's going to hit Atlanta, then Augusta, and on into South Carolina, and right through the middle of North Carolina. And its thing is not going to stop and hover for a couple of days in the same spot. It's moving at a pretty rapid clip, which is the only thing you can say about it. Now, the issue out there, and it's because of the corruption of news. People are trying to report today, we've never had a Category 4 hit the Florida Panhandle. It isn't true. There have been all kinds of major hurricanes that have hit the Florida Panhandle. An hour winds today, where the eye wall hits, and maybe 20 miles, depending on the size of the eye wall. Now, from there, it'll fall off. Nothing. 125 is no slouch. If you think that you've experienced 75 mile an hour winds, well, that's not bad. It's the effect of 150 versus 175 miles is not twice when you're in it. There is a multiplier effect of massive wind speed. So that if the fastest and the highest winds you've been in is 75 miles an hour, and you think, okay,